Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a critical aspect of lifting safety. Whether you're working in warehousing, manufacturing, or any other industry, understanding and practicing proper lifting techniques can prevent injuries and keep our work environment safe. What is lifting safety? Lifting safety involves the precautions and techniques we use to safely lift and handle items. This applies to both manual and mechanical lifting tasks. By following proper lifting procedures, we can minimize the risk of injuries, incidents, and absences. Considering lifting safety is not just about avoiding injuries, it's also about enhancing productivity. Common hazards. When lifting, before you lift anything, think about the potential hazards. Here are some factors to consider: the weight of the item, how close the item is to your body, your posture while lifting, the size, shape, and texture of the load, the distance you need to carry the item, the movements required to lift and carry the item, the time spent carrying the item, the frequency of lifting tasks, your training and experience in lifting. Improper lifting can lead to serious injuries like muscle strains, back injuries, joint issues, and chronic pain. According to Safe Work Australia, common injuries include muscle, ligament, and tendon strains, back and nerve injuries, and even chronic and acute pain. Now let's go over some proper lifting techniques to ensure everyone's safety. First, plan your lift. Assess your physical condition and make sure you're fit to lift. Test the weight of the load by lifting a corner. Next, position yourself properly. Stand close to the load with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees, not your back. Keep your back straight and your head up. Then, lift with your legs. Use the strength in your legs to lift, not your back. Keep the load close to your body. To avoid twisting, move your feet instead of twisting your torso. Keep the load stable and avoid sudden movements. Whenever possible, use mechanical aids to reduce strain. Ensure the equipment is suitable for the load and the task. Plan your route and avoid obstacles. Remember, always reduce the amount of twisting and reaching you need to do. Avoid lifting from floor level or above shoulder height. Break down larger items into smaller, manageable loads whenever possible. When using lifting equipment, keep these points in mind. Ensure the equipment is appropriate for the load. Plan the storage area for both items and equipment. Know the route and avoid damaging infrastructure. Avoid long distances if possible. Never overload the equipment. Lifting safety is everyone's responsibility. By following these guidelines and using proper techniques, we can ensure a safer, more productive workplace. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.